Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and simply slide with your finger to the left side. And now, as can you see here, we got the resolution section. Just to change the aspect ratio, you can see that we can change it from the 4:3, from a 16:9, and to the 1:1. 4:3, that's the regular, just standard default mode to each of the camera's photos. Here we can also change it to the just to use the full screen our camera, as can you see. And also we got here the third one, that's 1:1, that's the regular square. So as can you see, that's how to change the aspect ratio of our device photos. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.